Assalamu alaikum friend. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, I am sharing some fun and colorful button crafts ideas. Buttons are small, but they can create amazing art. You can make wall frames, greeting cards, flower designs, or cute animals. Mix different size and color to make your design stand out. Button crafts are easy, low cost, and perfect for banners. They are also great activity for kids and families. The step by step, we are making a simple button craft project. To choose buttons, so viewers, first to choose button in different color and size. They drop a base shape or paper or cardboard. Now glue the buttons inside the outline one by one. Let it dry completely before moving it. You can frame your artwork or hang it on the wall. Simple, fun, and very cute. Look at this beautiful button art for your decoration. A simple frame becomes special with colorful buttons. You can create trees, heart, flowers, or patterns. These crafts add a cheerful touch to your homes or workspace. They are also perfect as handmade gifts. Button art is easy to make but look very creative. Check out this button craft ideas. Colorful button turn into cute art. Flower, heart, animals, and patterns. Easy, fun, and friendly. Which one do you like most? Comment below. Kids activity themes. Button crafts are great for kids. They help improve creative and hand skills. Kids can mix color, shapes, designs freely. You can make greeting cards or small frame together. It's a fun family activity. Try this at home and enjoy crafting time and viewers relaxing craft time style. Today I am enjoy some clean and creative time with button crafts, watching the buttons sun together in very relaxing. I choose soft colors first, then add bright one for contrast. Slowly the designs start to take shapes. Button crafts are perfect for stress free time. They help you relax and enjoy the moments recycled and family. I am using our button to make some things beautiful. Friends, you don't need expensive spellips for these crafts. Leftover buttons from cloth can turn into amazing art. We can create flowers, patterns, a small animal. It saves money and reduce waste. Simple ideas can make a big difference. Gifts making themes. Button crafts are perfect for handmade gifts. You can make cards, flame, bookmark, or wall decoration. Add name or sweet message to make them special. Handmade gifts always feel warm, thoughtful. They show love and effort. Try these ideas for birthday or holidays. Let's make a button art board together. First pick a theme like flowers, heart, or tree. Next arrange the buttons without glue to test the design. When you like the layout, glue them carefully in place. Let everything dry completely. Frame it or hang it on your wall. Easy and cheerful. And color theme challenge. Today, button craft is all about colors. I am choosing only pastel shades for a soft look. You can try